Well, good morning, hi, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're tuning in. Well, this morning we're on a nature walk and we are the only people on the beach. So please take this in, take a morning breath. It's a bit foggy, which kind of is a good analogy for what's going on in the world. It sure is foggy. Nothing is clear. Everything is muddled. But we come to nature to try to just balance ourselves and make sense of things. So here, let's take a breath together. Try to get in sync with nature. In this case, let's try to get in sync with the water. Let's try to get in sync with the way the waves are coming in very gently, very softly. A good antidote for the fog, a good antidote for the distress that we feel. We need to be gentle. We need to be gentle with ourselves, taking low, deep, slow breaths. Interesting, it's hard to see the horizon. It's hard to see where the sky begins and where the sea ends. I think today's nature lesson is about clarity, about seeing through a fog, trusting there's something out there in the fog that we just may not see. It hasn't revealed itself. Thanks for taking this nature walk. Breathe it in. I'll see you next time.